How to verify your TikTok account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to apply for verification on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your phone is connected to a strong internet connection. Next, open TikTok app. Next, you simply need to navigate to profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on three-line menu icon. Choose setting and privacy option. Now you need to tap on account. Select switch to business account. Sorry. Now tap the next button. Tap on continue and choose a category. Tap the next button. Now add your email or tap the skip button. Add your bio or skip and you are all set. Now your account is switched to business, which is required for verification. Next thing, you need to open Business Suite. You can tap on Visit Business Suite or go to Profile, tap 3-bar menu icon and tap on Business Suite. Here you can easily navigate to Business page and tap the Join button. Complete the setup and once done you need to go back to the main setting page. Then after that you need to contact TikTok support. There you can easily submit the request and wait for TikTok to review your application. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and comment.